Want to know how to solve basic equations in Java? So in this video, I'm going to show you how we will be able to solve a simple linear equation in Java just using a few lines of code. So we have taken an equation. So we just simply take an example of solving an equation 2x plus 3 equals to 7. So what we do is we simply find x, and for that we isolate it using basic arithmetic. In Java, we assign the coefficients to variables, then calculate x as c minus b divided by a. This is a neat way to apply programming to math problems. We can even expand it for more complex equations or different types of math logic. Perfect for beginners wanting to see how coding can solve your world math problems. And that's it. So simple and easy. I'm just going to run this code to show you how it works, and there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day, tune in with us, and see you in the next one.